We're headed to the mountains. We're gonna go hiking. And we got Peanut back there. Say hi, Peanut. We send our text message to the government, and we get 2 text messages a day now. We have to give them one of 6 reasons why we're leaving the house. And reason number 6 is for exercise. So with that text, we get 3 hours. And before we leave, we'll send another one. To extend it, just in case, because if we get pulled over, it's €300 fine a piece. We're on our way to the waterfall. You can probably hear the stream in the background. It's right next to us. Yeah, it's a real path.
Good.
That's where we came from. That's where we're going. We made it to the waterfall. There it is. There's quite a few people here, so we won't stick around too long. I don't know if you can even hear this. Saw the waterfall, and now we're headed back to the car. It turns out we could have driven to it, and that's why there were so many people at it. But this way we get about a 2-kilometer hike out of it.